Steve, we are Komudi. This is Steve who's coming again to you in order to learn Kiluba. Today we will continue on Mema, water. We'll talk more about water, and we'll also bring another proverb as I'm doing my best to bring the proverb to you, which because proverbs are very important, very huge part of speaking in Kiluba. So today, let's start right away. We're gonna be talking about this proverb, the proverb Bampita Ndima kewapite Ndya. Bampita Ndima kewapite Ndya. This proverb, as you can see, Bampita Ndima means that they are Bampita, it's to pass, the verb to pass. They are passing when I'm cultivating. Kewapite, they are not passing. Ke is present negativity, so it says no, they don't pass. Kewapite Ndya. Ndya is to eat. Verb to eat. We talk about verb to eat days. Many days or many weeks ago. Ndya, it's eat. So they are passing when I'm cultivating, but they don't pass when I start eating. So this proverb, I just wrote it in English. I can read it clear, straight. They pass me when I'm cultivating. They don't pass. They don't when I'm eating. It's just saying that people, when you're still struggling, trying to create something, trying to produce. So when you are producing, you're working hard in order to produce something. No one stops to help or to support. They love to come when things are already done. Now they start enjoying the fruit. So this proverb, I think it's good to talk about this proverb when, especially when you're criticizing or talking about people who not coming to support you, but they enjoying the fruit of your fruit or the result of what you finish planting. They would like to come to harvest, but they don't wanna work in order to produce what you bring into them. And this is initially, I think, applied on the schooling. So most of the teachers and professors and those who are in schooling field, they teach our children, and we not generally we don't support them. We can say that those businessmen and even we can even put the government in that, and those we can probably put the companies. They don't come and support when you're teaching the children, and when you finish teaching them, they become engineering, they become doctors, and that's the time they come looking for them because they want them to work in their business. So you see, those businessmen could come initially when you're still working on the children, come and help, give some materials to help you help the children better. So it's a very interesting proverb. You can say Bampita Ndima kewapite Ndya. When I start eating the fruit of it, of my working, of my cultivating, they come and stop and try to be part of it. So that's the proverb today. And Mwafaiko, thank you for listening, and we'll talk again. And I hope that this proverb will help somebody, and somebody will be able to use it and put it in practice. Bampita Ndima kewapite Ndya. Thank you. We'll talk again in few. I'll take a little break.